Today, we're going to show you how to dry your laundry indoors almost as fast as a dryer.
Almost.
And cost you $0.
Hey, this is Mary.
And Tony.
And we are the RV Nomads 365.
The craziest RVers on YouTube.
On today's video, Tony is going to install an interior retractable clothesline in the bathroom. So that when I'm doing laundry, if I don't want to hang it out on the bumper.
Or your underwear. You won't put your underwear
Yeah, I don't put my underwear. That's just not, nobody needs to see that. My little tiny thongs.
The granny panties.
Or those. Yeah, so I can dry clothes in the bathroom if it's cold or if I don't want my skivvies to show.
Could be raining.
Takes a little bit longer.
From out of the washer to dry.
But it's free and you don't have to go to the laundromat.
No, you can watch
You don't
TV.
have to spend any money.
Yeah, no, it's the way to go. No, it's the way to go. We've already showed you how the back bumper works. I'll even try and find some footage maybe and put that in there, some old footage.
Sounds good.
But let's get started. I got to get started on this project. Okay, this is what you need to put in the retractable clothesline in your bathroom. The retractable clothesline. Put it out, hit the button again, and it retracts. And it retracts, this model retracts slowly, which I really like. Our old one would fling back, and sometimes it would bounce, if I wasn't thinking, it would bounce off the shower door. And, you know, if it hits that glass just right, it'll shatter it. So I like that this is slow. This holds the end of it on, so once you pull it out, it fastens to this. Mounting hardware screws. This is just the box that came in. You'll need a drill, you know, or a screwdriver, whatever. This has a Phillips head on it, Phillips head screws, and you'll need a hanger. And I'll show you why you need a hanger when we get in the bathroom. Let's get started. Okay, now you're going to see why we need the hanger. Come up here. We're kind of holding the line up. I'm hanging the hanger on the line because I want to make sure as I hang clothes that there are no obstacles, and at the same time I get maximum amount of line. The more line I have, the more clothes we can hang up in here. So I have a pretty good idea this is about where we want to be. I've taken the bracket off the back of the device. We're going to put it about right here. About right here. Let's just run a line across with hangers and not hit anything. So we'll be able to hang clothes with hangers or without hangers. It won't be a problem. So let's hang this thing. The perfect one. Oh, these don't go in good. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So I put it in this one first because now I'm going to adjust it. We've talked about this before. I'm going to talk about it again. Do not use a level, because levels in trailers and fifth wheels don't work out great unless you know your trailer or fifth wheel is perfectly level. We're never perfectly level. So I pick, like, I'm going to use this, and because even if it's not straight, if I get it good in this corner, it's going to look like it's level. So that's what I'm going to use.
So stay until the end of today's video because we're timing how long it takes to dry a little blanket. We're going to see how long it takes. Hey, if you like this video, please like.
What kind of an ass points to somebody on cue like that? Are you crazy? No. Subscribe, like, share. Okay.
Looks good.
Okay, now let's get this. Put it right here. So here's the other side of the clothesline I've mounted here. The clothesline will clip into this little horseshoe right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little wash. This is the cover that we put on our couch for our dogs. They're dirty creatures. So we put this on there so they don't scratch up our couch. You know, what's interesting is they breed these dogs for hunting. The dogs will point to a bird. Why don't they breed the dogs to wipe their paws when they come in from outside? Maybe breed the dogs not to drool all over our furniture. Another just a little thought for the AKC Kennel Club. So anyways, we're gonna wash this and see how it comes out.
Hit it. Going in. And do the boogie thing.
We've washed the blanket and I'm going to hang it in here and we're going to dry it. And we've devised a method to get that thing to dry almost as fast as a dryer would. So I'm going to teach you that method now. And that method requires that you have a little ceramic heater. And you take your little ceramic heater and you plug it in here like such, like so. Turn it on high. Crack your vent in the bathroom. Don't turn the fan on, just crack it, just that way you get a little circulation. And we're going to go ahead. We're gonna put out our clothesline that we just put in. Okay, clothesline. Pull it back a little bit tight. That's the lock. So now it's locked in place. Get your clothespins. Okay, we've hung it. The heater's going, and we are going to start a timer right now, and we will time how long it takes before this is dry. Let's do the test. Okay, it's been an hour and 10 minutes, and this thing's bone dry. If we had other stuff hanging up here, it would be about the same. I mean, I already know how long it takes. So, an hour and 10 minutes. If you were at the laundry and you use a dryer, I think that's like 45 minutes to an hour. So you can still get stuff in cold weather to dry fast. Obviously, if it's warm out, we have our laundry on our bumper clothesline. Inside, when it's not a nice day, Mary doesn't like to put our underwear outside. So we always use this and we dry our clothes in here. Hey! Thanks for watching our video. Look, you got to do this method. You got to hang the retractable clothesline. You got to do it. It's life changing. We're cool to even be showing you this. I got to be.
Bye.